Ever wondered how these creators are raking in millions of views and millions of dollars? Do you wish to do the same? Well, buckle up, because in today's mind-blowing video, I'm about to drop a simple 4-step master plan that can turn your dreams into dollar signs. Ready to rock? Let's dive into the secrets behind these creators' million-dollar journey. How do they do it, step by step? Can't contain my excitement any longer. Time to share the wealth of wisdom with all you awesome folks. Alright, let's dive into the first and arguably most crucial step in the world of YouTube automation. Now, here's the thing, a lot of folks tend to breeze past this step, but trust me, it's the cornerstone of the whole shebang. I'm talking about picking that oh-so-perfect niche. So, when it's time to choose a niche, how exactly should you go about it? Let's break it down. Step 1, put your niche research game on point. This involves checking out the competition in the desired niche. You want to find out how many folks are actually hitting that search button for your chosen topic. Imagine this, a cool 1 million or even 2 million people all tuning into content related to your niche every month. That's like having a packed stadium of viewers cheering for you. But here's the gold nugget, you've got to do your homework. Don't just choose a niche blindfolded. Make sure there's a genuine interest out there, folks actually want to know about it. Sometimes, it's not all about what you love, but what the world out there is itching to watch. You can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to do your research. Alright, let's break it down to the good stuff in step number 2. So, here's the secret sauce, leveraging people's fame. Okay, imagine you've picked your niche, let's say, soccer. You've got soccer fanatics craving content about their heroes like Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, and many more. These guys are trending 24/7, people gobble up every snippet about their lives, games, lifestyle, love life, and bling bling. So, what you do is you jump on that train and ride it. You tap into their fandom, and voila, you've got an audience eager to watch, like, and share your stuff. Similarly, these music artists have dedicated fans who want to know about their lifestyle, bank balance, love life, and so on. Picture this, you've got Drake, 21 Savage, Kanye, and Taylor Swift. You spot a controversy, a hot topic that's buzzing on the internet. Maybe there's a cold war going on between Selena Gomez and Hailey Bieber. You don't just watch it unfold, you seize it. You ride that wave of buzz, creating content that's like a magnet for views and likes. It's like a shortcut to success because you're leveraging the fame of others instead of relying solely on your own. This leverage game, my friend, is the rocket booster that shoots such videos into the stratosphere. These creators know that people are all ears for updates on their favorite stars, athletes, or artists. Now, here's another golden nugget for you. Imagine this. You're scrolling through Instagram or Twitter checking out the latest drama or a scandal, and just like that every single day, there are viral stories. Catching my drift? If you scoop up one of those stories and turn it into a video, bam! You've got yourself a ticket to the viral express. Think about it. If it's buzzing like crazy on Instagram and Twitter, why wouldn't it light up your YouTube? It's like a content goldmine that never dries up. Those pages keep churning out the good stuff, and you've got a front row seat to endless inspiration. Alright, let's dive into step number 3, and honestly, this one is my absolute favorite. These top creators who are raking in millions of views and dollars just know how crucial mastering this step is for their journey on YouTube. So, what's this step all about? Well, it's all about embracing the power of YouTube automation channels. Hold on. Now, these are the channels where you don't see the creator's face plastered all over the videos. And trust me, this strategy opened up an avenue that allowed these creators to connect with numerous companies, the kind of companies that are all about those exciting brand deals. They are also known as sponsors, promotional posts, or even paid advertisements. These are the magic ingredients that can transform your financial trajectory, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Do you know what's amazing about influencer marketing? It's the secret sauce to getting your products and services out there for the world to see. And guess what? When your audience knows, likes, and trusts the content they're watching, they're more likely to give a nod to the brands you're backing. This is where the faceless YouTube channels shine. The trust they've built with their subscribers opens doors for these lucrative brand partnerships that can make your earnings skyrocket. Now, let's talk numbers. I'm talking about that massive leap from a comfortable $10,000 a month to an astounding $100,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right. Brands come knocking on your virtual door when they see those view counts climbing into the millions or hundreds of thousands. They're practically itching to get their offerings in front of your engaged audience. And they're willing to pay handsomely for that privilege. It doesn't matter which niche you choose, as this strategy isn't limited to just one niche. These creators are making somewhere around $2 to $3 million solely from these brand deals without ever showing their faces. So, there you have it, step number 3. an undeniable method that propelled other creators from ground zero to that cherished $1 million milestone. And guess what? It's a strategy that's poised to work wonders for you too. Well, here we are, at step number 4, the final stride for today's video, 0 to $1 million. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? Now, let's talk about something that might sound like common sense, but trust me, it's the cornerstone of these creators' success. So, you've discovered what works, that post that caught fire, that video that went viral. You've hit that sweet spot where the crowd can't get enough. Now what? Well, my friends, this is where the magic of doubling down and rinse and repeat comes into play. Picture this, you've struck gold with that viral content, that gem of a video. But the secret isn't just in the content itself, it's in understanding why it resonated with people. Take a closer look and dissect it a bit. Why did it draw clicks like bees to honey? What kept folks watching, hitting that replay button? Once you've decoded this, you're sitting on a treasure trove of insights. So, what's the next move? Double down, my pals. Take that winning formula and give it a twist, a remix, if you will. Think of it like jazz improvisation. You've got a melody that struck chords, now you riff on it. Create variations, explore angles. It's like having a toolkit filled with video goldmines. Here's the beautiful part, those remixes, those follow-ups, they don't just fade away. They become part of your collection, your catalog, and your digital legacy. People have got channels that they haven't tended to in ages, yet they're like little money fountains, bringing in steady streams. Those remixed videos? They're like old friends who never stop telling great stories at the party. So, in a nutshell, my friends, double down on what works. Immerse yourself in the essence of your hit content, and then let it evolve in delightful ways. Rinse and repeat, not in a mundane cycle, but in an artistic manner. Build a treasure chest of videos that folks adore, that they'll keep watching through sunsets and rainstorms. And there you have it, the remarkable journey from humble beginnings to achieving a million dreams realized, all in the blink of an eye. This story isn't just about raw passion, it's about the intricate dance of passion entwined with a meticulously crafted strategy and a healthy dose of boundless creativity. So now, my friends, it's your turn to step onto the stage, armed with your own symphony of viral hits and ingenious remixes. Embrace the pulsating rhythm of doubling down on what works and fearlessly hitting the repeat button. Your odyssey from 0 to $1 million eagerly beckons. Just as these visionary creators paved their paths, you shall carve yours. As our captivating video journey draws its curtain, remember, this is merely the prologue of our grand adventure together. If you found yourself nodding along, perhaps even caught in a delighted smile, channel that positive energy into action. Extend your affection to this video by giving that like button a resounding tap, and consider weaving this strategic gem into the digital tapestry of your friends and family by hitting that share button. And if by any chance you're still lingering on the outskirts of my vibrant community, what's the hold up? With a simple click of that subscribe button, you'll become a cherished accomplice in my exhilarating journey. Don't be a stranger, flick that bell icon and earn the title of an esteemed insider. And now, to the individual reading this, yes, you. Your voice matters profoundly, so don't hesitate, pour your thoughts into the comment section below and let's ignite a spark of discourse.